tell you guys, when I unboxed this vacuum, I could tell just by looking at all the parts how well made it is.
It comes with so many attachments, one of them being this wood floor attachment.
This one is called Power Punch. So this like vibrates really quickly and dislodges dust mites from mattresses and pillows and stuff like that. That sounds really cool to me.
One of my favorite things about this thing is that it has a super long battery life. There are 2 batteries that each hold a 40-minute charge. So total, this vacuum can run for 80 minutes.
But both batteries are able to charge together on the charging port. So one battery actually goes on the top here, the other one goes in the actual compartment for the charging base.
So there's 3 different ways that you can store this vacuum. You can store it on the stand, just like this. You can also detach this top part and actually mount it onto your wall, which is cool.
One thing that is key is the adjustable pole length. The adjustable pole length allows for more flexibility with accommodation to your height. There's also a one-touch control, so you can turn the vacuum on and off with just the touch of a thumb.
I also love that this has washable cyclones and filters, because that just seems like really efficient.
It comes with 2 filters and then you literally wash them and reuse them.
I could just rinse it out and it's perfectly clean and ready to go for the next clean.
This vacuum is so pretty.
With just a few parts and no tools required, your Shark Navigator Lift-Away Professional is so easy to assemble. First, take your portable lift-away canister. Go ahead and line up the back of the unit with the back of the motorized floor brush and push down until you hear it click into place. Next, take your extension wand. These 2 wings on the back align with the back of the canister. Go ahead and line those up, push down until it clicks into place. Next, take your accessory holder. Your accessory holder has a groove on the back of this that lines up with a tab on the back of the extension wand. Go ahead and push that down all the way. Next, take your handle with stretch hose. Go ahead and put that handle over the top of your extension wand. Push down again until you hear it click into place. Go ahead and take your stretch hose, attach it to the back of the canister, lining up those tabs into the grooves. Next, go ahead and attach your accessories. Take your dusting brush, push that onto the top of the post. Take your crevice tool, go ahead and push up on the bottom post. Now you're all set.